Assalamu alaikum dear students, I welcome you all on the platform of digital academic provided by Moonlight International Publishers. My dear fellows and friends, our today's topic is about letters, about words. What we have to do in this video is we have to write the name of the given pictures. Yes, earlier we are just reading the letters name, the name of the pictures, but today we have to write the name of the picture. Let's start our today's lesson. The first picture is net. The first picture is net, and there are 3 blocks. It means we have to write net in 3 letters. There will be 3 letters of net. Yes, first of all, you have to focus on the initial sound of what I am going to speak. Net. The first is N. Now write here letter N. You have to write letter N in first block. In second block, I am going to read it again. You have to focus on the second sound of net. It's net. N. I am cutting N. Now at, and A is the sound of E. E says A. E says A. Yes, here we are going to write letter E. N, A. Now, last is net. Focus on the last sound. Net. Net. It's T. Yes, very good. You have recognized it. It's T. 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 T says T. You are going to write T in last words. N, A, T. Net. N, A, T. Net. Now we are going to watch the second picture, and this is the picture of cat, and cat is having 3 letters. Cat is having 3 letters. Okay, now focus on my initial sound. Cat. Yes, K. K. C says K. C says K. So write C in first box. Now cut the first one. K at cat. A. It's A. The second sound is A. The second sound is A. And A says A. You know, E says A and A says A. You have to longer the sound. In letter A, we have to just longer the sound little bit. Like we are going to write here. A says A. C, A. K, A. K, A. And this is cat. This is cat. The last sound is T. So we are going to write T over here in last block. K, A, T. It's cat. K, A, T. Cat. Now kids, there is a picture of an ant. Ant. It means there are 3 boxes. It means we have to write ant in 3 letters. The first sound is ant. Just focus on the initial sound. Ant. Ant. A says A. A says A. Now write A in first block. Now dear kids, we have to focus on the second sound. Earlier I have told you that there are 2 sounds of letter N. The first one is and the second one is N. We have to focus on the first sound. Ant. It's ant. It's ant. And I am speaking from my nose. I am speaking from my nose. I am producing a little sound from my nose, and we are going to write letter N here. After that, the last sound is T. Ant. It's ant. So write T over here. Ant. A and T. Ant. It's ant. Moving to the next picture, and this is picture of hen. It's hen. Focus on my first sound. H. It's H. H says H. So write H over here. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. So second sound is A. E says A. Very good. E says A. Now write E over second block. The last sound is N. H, A, N. Hen. H, A, N. Hen. So write N in last block. Hen. Hen. It's hen. The next picture is bat. Focus on my first sound. B. B. Bat. So write B. B says B. Write B in first block. And the second sound is B. A. bat. Bat. A sound is A. So write A in second block. And the last sound is T. Bat. Write T over here in last block. Bat. It's bad. Now there is a last picture. This is the picture of bed. This is the picture of bed. Focus on my first sound. Which one is B? Which one is B? A D. Bed. B A D. Bed. Now focus on the second sound. It's A. It's A. Write E in second block. Now focus on the last sound, which is D. B A D. Bed. B A D. Bed. So write D in last block. B A D. Bed. B A D. Bed. So kids, this was our writing portion, but now we are going to do an activity. We have to match the words with their pictures. Words are mentioned over here, like there is the word, first word is girl. G-I-R-L. Girl. So we have to find out girl from here. There are some pictures. The first picture is of arrow, and the second one is doll, and the third one is wearing a scarf. Girl. We are going to match word girl with picture. So take out your pencil and match it neatly. And the second word is bus. Firstly, what you have to do, you have to look at all the pictures. Where is bus? Yes, at the last there is bus. B-U-S. Bus. Match word bus with picture of bus. Yes, do matching neatly. Okay, the third word is A-R-R-O-W. It's arrow. Now look at the pictures. Where is arrow? Yes, at the first. So match arrow with the spelling of arrow. Yes, do it neatly. Yes, the second one is doll. The second one is doll. What you have to do? Yes, you have to match word doll with the picture of doll. Now there is a last word. Now read it with me. C-A-P. Cap. Okay, find out where is cap. Yes, here is cap at the second last with bus. Now match the spelling of cap with picture of cap. Yes, match it neatly. So dear kids, it was our today's lesson. I hope you have understood what I taught you today. Stay blessed in next video. Allah Hafiz.